Joey attempting a stupid move.
Dude, he ain't gonna fucking catch it, dude.
Nah, I'll fucking bite him, dude. He's gonna bite you, eh? Hey, yo, he's going right at you and shit. Right there, right there, right there. Get him. Get him. Oh, oh shit.
Dang.
Dude.
Oh,
You fucking cut him and shit.
dang, fool.
Fuck,
This
dude.
fighting gotcha, man. Oh, you know?
That's fucking bad, dude.
Look at that.
Oh, boy, they're like 3 feet long and shit.
Dang, we should take some pictures with this fool, man.
Well, let's take some right now. Fuck it.
I should let him go. Let him go.